For the skid steer loaders in your fleet, Camoplast has an innovative lowest operating cost solution to extend their application range. The Camoplast HXD over the tire track is an easy-to-mount attachment to provide improved traction, flotation, and stability, boosting the versatility of your machine. This unique solution is designed for durability and rugged use, featuring an easy-to-use design that can be mounted and demounted in 20 minutes or less. A flexible yet strong iron core engineered with high-grade forged spring steel for maximum strength, even weight distribution, and detracking protection. Internal traction ribs help the tire and track work together to keep the horsepower and torque working for you without spinning. Camoplast's HXD OTT track has an innovative tread design that maximizes traction while offering low ground disturbance and minimal vibration. Camoplast's lowest operating cost solution has you covered with a comprehensive OTT track warranty.